Game tayo dito. Game tayo.
Down. Pearson swings it. Nambatak hesitated, pulls the trigger anyway, and he gets the bounce.
You know, Rain or Shine would always get rewarded when they just continue to fight for those offensive rebounds. And
Belga again. Back-to-back ba? Back-to-back na!
yan, ang maganda yan para kay Big Bo Belga. Wala na, mag-iisip na ng dalawa si Krutwig kasi usually si Bo nag-hesitate. He would just use a shot fake on his three-point shot, but because of...
Away by Melton, here comes the Blackwater on the push. Krutwig to Barkley, gets that basket, and one opportunity pa yan.
Yan ang pagkakamali ni Gian Mamuyak. You know, when he fouled there, if you're gonna give out the foul, make sure that
Go at the other side, will he get his third?
oh, wow.
Jolo goes, showing him how it's done.
It's really just a quick release shot that's really been so effective.
At the other side, pagkakataon ng Ross, makatabla. Karakut has that in mind. 43 all.
No, Rainer Shan has really been pushing that basketball. Although maganda na rin yung depensa ng bossing off transition, Rainer Shan has been getting some easy baskets off those transitions.
Pearson down to good at the defense. Will that count?
Seems like it did. Ganda talaga nung ano, di ba?
Jackson. Natabunan sa ilalim, inilabas ng bahagya.
Ang ganda nung ginawa niya doon. He was still able to find a way to score.
At the other side, Karakut goes early.
Execution.
And the activity takes it away. Blackwater just gave up on this. Mamuya with the layup.
Defense, yung defense nila, nagki-kick in na rin, lalo na in that last play.
Na-coding na-traffic bigla. Itong si Krutwig.
Grabe sila, no? They've been very consistent. Oh, nice.
Ildefonso splits two defenders, gets the basket, pick a son of a foul.
Tuwa-tuwa yung kanyang mga teammates, Sean Ildefonso going.
Ponferrada from straight away.
Yan naman ang bagay. Talagang they're making Krutwig try to play honest defense, pull him out of that shaded area.
It'll be win number 5. Against 6 losses already. Santillan with his first basket in this game.
Coach Cheng has really been executing and telling his players to just get an opportunity.
Ion is fouled at the other end. Mike not giving up on this one. Meron pang mahigit 5 kalahati sa ating laro.
Player mentally because talagang manggigigil ka eh. Usually manggigigil talaga yung bumawi.
Nambatak gets himself to 19.
Hindi na nanggigigil. Kita mo, it's just a smooth stroke for Ray Nambatak.
Dami ng napakaganda.